The perfect protein for a family breakfast, ready-to-eat delicious Ducktrap smoked salmon. When the kids need to power through the afternoon, cold smoked salmon is ideal for a quick and tasty snack. And when it comes to an easy dinner, smoke-roasted salmon and smoked trout are a savory protein the whole family will enjoy.
Kids, dinner!
Enjoy it your way and elevate every snack, meal, and get-together with a variety of healthy and delicious smoked seafood.
Ladies, help yourselves. The salmon is amazing. You have to try it.
Taste the quality in all our products. Look for Ducktrap's signature smoked seafood styles at your local grocery store and visit ducktrap.com for delicious recipes.